Wow, a massive surge in Bitcoin and XRP and a lot of altcoins and even the NASDAQ as well. Do you know what has just happened? First, as I've been telling you guys, when the US dollar goes down, it means risk on. So therefore, right, crypto and stocks have been bouncing. Why did the US dollar go down? Because of US inflation data came out 2 days in a row, the CPI and the PPI, Producer Price Index and Consumer Price Index, both went down by more than expected. And look at this, just as I was saying in my yesterday's video, US dollar has been tanking like there's no tomorrow. Look at this, below the key psychological mark of 100. Although in the short term, I think it might make a little bit bounce back to about 101-ish area. And what this does is that it makes the market go into a risk-on sort of mode, which means NASDAQ has been making a big bounce to a new local high, right? And Bitcoin has now also bounced to 31K, but it's the altcoins that are making the biggest bounce in the last 12 or so hours. Why is that? Well, because the courts have ruled that XRP in its long famous running court battle is not a security. It's not as clear cut as that though. The SEC, the losing side in this decision, can still go to court or go to appeal, and it can still drag on for a long time. However, essentially, out of the 4 or 5 areas they can rule on, the judge ruled most of it in favor of XRP. And this is great for altcoins because altcoins, a lot of them like BNB, Matic, Solana has been hit recently, even Coinbase, with selling securities. But who told you guys to buy when it was all down? See, this is 4 weeks ago. I've been telling you guys, you've been asking me for 12 to 15K Bitcoin, but I said to you guys, now all these altcoins are trading as if Bitcoin was at 15K. It's a double bottom, right? This is the time to be excited about a buying opportunity. Yeah, I made a number of videos and I made tweets. I said, look, this is basically as low as it can get, double bottom here, right? And slowly dollar cost averaging in makes sense to me. And in my Discord as well, I said it's not only the coins, but Coinbase, right? Coinbase also has potential from here. And see, once again, this is from early June. I said Solana and Matic can be bought for a short-term bounce here, but probably not this one. And of course, look at what happened today, right? It's not just XRP that has doubled in price. Solana also made a 2x. And we saw also Matic make a 2x. Quite a lot of this is depending on the US dollar. Basically, I think it's in oversold territory right now at 99.7. It's very likely to make a bounce back up, say 101.4 area. That's a very likely area for it to retest. If it does that, then I would be getting out of the altcoins for now, take some profits. I've closed my Solana position, looking to re-enter if it pulls back. So for now, watch out for the US dollar bouncing.